Today, I am here to present a speech on International Disaster Reduction Day. Every year, International Day for Disaster Reduction is held on 13th October. In 2022, the International Day will focus on Target G of the Sendai framework, substantially increase the availability and access to multi-hazard early warning systems and disaster risk information and assessments to people by 2030. The International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction was started in 1989 after a call by the UN General Assembly, that is UNGA, for a day to promote a global culture of risk awareness and disaster reduction. In 2009, the UNGA officially designated 13th October as the day to commemorate the day. The day celebrates how people and communities around the world are reducing their exposure to disasters and raising awareness about the importance of training in the risks that they face. Now I invite Namita and Devnanda for conducting a quiz based on this topic. Thank you and have a wonderful day.